Yes, now we are discussing about drop shipping. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method. Drop shipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products itself in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the drop shipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the seller doesn't have to handle the product directly or keep it in inventory. Here is how drop shipping typically works. Customer places, number one is customer places an order. The customer buys a product from an online store. Second point is order forwarded to supplier. Order forwarded to supplier. The store forwards the order and shipment details to a third party supplier or manufacturer. Supplier will store the products. Supplier ships the products. The supplier then ships the products directly to the customer according to the online order. Key advantages of drop shipping including low startup costs. Since you don't need to invest in inventory upfront, it is relatively inexpensive to start a drop shipping business. No storage or inventory management. You don't have to deal with warehousing or managing inventory, which reduces overhead costs and logistical headaches. Wider product selection. You can offer a wider range of products without the capital investment required for stocking them. Next point is, however, drop shipping also has challenges. Lower profit margins. Due to increased competition and lower barriers to entry, profit margins can be slim unless you find a niche or unique products. Dependency on suppliers. Your reputation depends on the supplier's reliability in terms of product quality and shipping times. Next is less control over fulfillment, since you are not handling the shipping and fulfillment directly. Customer service and quality control can be more challenging. Successful dropshipping business often focus on niche markets, excellent marketing, and efficient customer service to differentiate themselves and succeed in a competitive landscape. Likewise, drop shipping will be done. Only one thing in this formula is customer will order through online about his product, required product. Then they will send the information to the supplier. Supplier will ship to the customer directly from his place. Supplier will have some stores and he will keep some regular products. Then he will supply to customer. Likewise, the process is going on from customer to online store to the supplier, then supplier to the customer. The information will go on cycle. Likewise, it is called, this will be called drop shipping. While Amazon website is increasing, e-commerce website, and Flipkart also, e-commerce website is increasing so much in India and in more countries also. That time, drop shipping is becoming a very good and famous, not only famous, it is very convenient process conceptually, because in every area drop shipping stores are there means the online customer will apply to the online store, then online they will send the message to the nearer customer address nearer store to the about products. Then supplier will supply those products to the shipment to to the, he will ship to the, he will shipping or dropping means to the customer directly. So this is the process going on. It is very good concept and it is very easy concept also. Online will not manage all products, thousands of products at one line or one way and at one point. That is the easiest way to drop with multiple online e-commerce stores will depend on multiple suppliers. That is through drop shipping it is going on. So it is easy to all and they can run very well. This is the information regarding drop shipping. So it is a very good concept. While doing drop shipping also, they can sell their products. Suppliers can sell their products to others also by purchasing them directly from supplier to the business also, to the online store also, because they are selling the products. So it is a multi-way drop shipping will become a very good business to run happily. Wishing you all the best. But only one thing is, in drop shipping, online store should be comfortable to the road transport, and they should also have some team to supply in time. Suppliers also should maintain a store, and as well as they should have some vehicles, and as well as they should be in this condition to supply in time to the customers also. If it is going on three ways, that is, one is supplier should maintain a store, and the second one is he should drop out, that is, he should ship the goods in time, and the next is the customer service should be very carefully done. Then only it will run very comfortably. So it is easiest and very comfortable and business oriented concept drop shipping is. Wishing you all the best.